Video we are going to test the Posthog application. So for it, first of all you have to search and install it. Like when you install, then you can install it on agency level. If you install on it, like it will be installed on all the locations. But if you want to install it on a particular location, then you can also install it. In our case, we are going to install there. Like allow this and then proceed. So wait a few seconds. The app is successfully installed, and then go to the location level, like back to workflows. Go there. So here, go to this, then search. After this, go search here the Posthog. So configure it. You will put the API key. So to find the Posthog API key, you need an account first on the Posthog. So here I created the account. So like click on the setting button and then scroll down. So here is the personal API keys. So click there. So first of all create and then give the access like read, write. So like select all the scopes there. Basically like every scopes should be selected. So when you select all the scope, then create the key. Simply give the label name like test and give all access. When you click, then every scope will be selected. So create the key and it will create a few minutes and then copy it. So after copy this, go again there and then paste here and then submit. So your credentials are saved. Now you can use its workflows. Like go to the automation, create a workflow, and this one is your app. Like Posthog, these all the actions of it.